Well, hello to you there again. It's Matt, the real video guy. Welcome to this Video Client Pro Map Search quick tutorial. We're going to take a look at the map search. So if you have the map search with your Video Client Pro, this is how you go about finding things. So what I've done, I've just clicked map search to activate the map. And now we are doing a different type of search called a GEO Search. And I can drag the map around like this and I can look for videos in different locations. Now, I'm not sure how your geography is, but you can actually zoom in and you'll see the whole world and you can relocate yourself super quick. So let's go into the San Francisco area. We're going to have a look at some Facebook videos in this area. And with the map search, keyword is optional. So you can actually just look at an area and have a look at what kind of videos do we have in this particular area, which is really cool information. So I'm just going to go ahead and click search. And I'm just pausing that and we can see here we've got 24, and this is not actually 24 videos, even though it is 24 videos, it's 24 different Facebook pages, which is really cool. So we can zoom in here, and I did kind of have the show videos off. You can turn that on as well, like previously, and here's all the videos. You can view them like this, and you can also click the different pins here. So if I want to click that and see that video, I can do that. And here's also the contact details if you've got the marketing package included with your purchase. So we can close that and we can go through here and take a look at these videos, and we can also see the videos down here. Now, what's really cool with the map search is you can get some really good ideas from different locations and have a look at what different businesses are doing. So let's just clear these results. I'm going to zoom out here and I'm going to head over to Europe. I'm from Finland, so let's go into Finland, and I'm doing this not because I think you're interested in Finland, but to show you that you can get some really cool videos from all sorts of amazing locations. So here we are, and I'm using the mouse to scroll in and out, which makes it a little bit quicker. I'm just gonna keep searching here. And we didn't actually get a lot of results there. We've got 4 videos. What I might do is I'll just clear the results and reload the page. I've been doing quite a bit of searching and sometimes the browser slows down. Let's just try that search again. There we go. See, now we're getting a lot more results. And that's a good tip to keep in mind if you ever get stuck and you're not getting any results. What you can do is reload the page, just refresh the page. And if you've got any kind of videos in your favorites, like let me just pick some here, just as an example. Having a look here, I've got these videos now in my favorites. Even if I go ahead and reload the page here, refresh the page, we can go back to the map search. If I go back to my favorites, those videos are still there and I can just get rid of them with a love heart. So that's the map search, and you can quickly find different videos. You can use it also combined with your keyword. You probably want to be using the language of the country you're in to improve your results. So why don't we, while we're here, just to wrap up this video, let's head over to London. And we'll have a look at hair salons. Click search. Pausing the results. So here we can see Facebook pages on hair salons located in London that are using video. So that's really cool information, and you can also preview their feature video from there, and we've got the contact details. These contact details are related to the marketer package, so if you've got that one, you'll have those available as well. So that's a quick look at the map search. Go for it. Go out there and search maps, and obviously search your own location and have a look at what people are doing in your local area.